Hello there, Kieran here. Today I'm going to be doing a video on on a product, for a change actually. I never really do product reviews, but this is something quite important that I think more people need to know about. In case you don't know me, I am an aspiring paleontologist, scientific communicator. I do a lot of the volunteering work with the Jurassic Coast Trust. I do a lot of the public and scientific outreach in regards to the fossils and paleontology of the Jurassic Coast Trust. But today I received something in the mail, which is quite special. It's come all the way from Chile. So remember when you were kids and you used to get those like wooden dinosaur puzzles and you put them together and they just didn't look good. I hated them as a kid. I never really wanted them. They didn't look like dinosaur skeletons at all. Until I came across the other month some company called Wonder Artistic Models who have sent me in the mail this. And what drew my attention was how they look really good. I mean, they look fantastic. I'm going to be doing a video on putting this together, and hopefully you'll go over and check out his stuff. I definitely think this is worth the money, and I think more shops should be stocking Wonder Artistic Models because they are accurate. Let's open it up and have a look. That's nice. Oh, that's really nice. Look at this. So, the pieces seem to pop out quite easily. Doesn't require too much force to get them out. Again. Oh man, this wood smells really nice. So here we are. Here's the finished Stegosaurus model by Wonder Artistic Models. The head, you can choose whether you want the mouth open or shut, which is pretty cool. Tail here, you can even adjust the position of the dagger misers on the end of the tail. It's pretty impressive size. Maybe I was a little apprehensive when I said maybe it's suitable for kids, but otherwise really impressed. Absolutely fantastic model, and he's got like loads more to choose from. You don't have to have Stegosaurus. He's got Spinosaurus, T-Rex, a Mosasaurus, which isn't a dinosaur, but you know, still pretty cool. So yeah, go check out Wonder Artistic Models. Here is the logo there, Wonder Artistic Model. Highly recommend. These are fantastic learning resources for children because they are anatomically correct. They look good, kids can learn from them, and kids get to build them. And when I say kids, I mean me.